here's how to fix iPhone apps keep crashing randomly on iPhone. So the first solution is offload the problematic app. Go to your settings, tap on General, iPhone storage, and search for the problematic app and open it. Offload the app, then reinstall it from here and check the issue. And the second solution is free up your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, then you have to free up your iPhone storage by deleting some unwanted apps. Go to your General, iPhone storage, and from here delete useless apps and free up your iPhone storage and check the issue. And the third solution is go to General, background app refresh, tap on background app refresh and select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure to enable all of these options from here and then check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to General, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, restart your iPhone and hope this will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.